For nearly 15 years, we've been listening to our customers. You wanted more strength, more flexibility, lasting durability, not zip ties, not flammable storage covers. We heard you. When the power goes out, your generator becomes your lifeline. And when the weather turns, you need protection you can actually trust. So, we built it. GenTent didn't start as just a generator cover. We started as a safety solution, engineered to let portable generators run in tough weather without creating new risks. Over the years, we kept improving because generators kept changing. Bigger frames, higher outputs, hotter exhaust zones, tighter layouts, more sensors, more complexity. Our early systems relied on smart, lightweight, injection-molded clamp designs which offered compatibility across thousands of generator models. Then we expanded into universal adapters, posts, and other mounting solutions designed to accommodate the real-world many chassis types that generator manufacturers were putting into the market. But we kept hearing the same message from homeowners, contractors, and the generator companies themselves. Make it stronger. Make it simpler. Make it fit more generators. Make it tool-free. And make it hold up around high output, high heat machines. So we went back to the drawing board. We iterated, we tested, we redesigned. And we kept refining until we could deliver the solution customers were asking for. We are proud to introduce GenTent's all-new steel clamp system, engineered to fit nearly 4,000 different generators. Round frames, square frames, vertical posts with blocked panels or heat shields, tight clearances, complicated layouts that used to be difficult or impossible to clamp to. This is engineered steel strength. The grip is so strong, you can even lift the generator with it. And that strength does more than feel solid. It improves performance and unlocks better protection in forecast winds up to 110 miles per hour, 20 inches of wet heavy snow, and 18 inches of rain per hour. If you're serious about protecting your power and your family during outages, don't settle for a flimsy cover that was never built for storms. Choose the solution that the generator manufacturers trust and endorse. Choose the system engineered for real generators, real weather, real peace of mind. GenTent, built to fit and engineered to protect. Weatherproof your power.